Today, I will share with you how to do these holiday curls using the Chi Lava Taper Wand. First, take section. Use a little bit amount of Ultimate Control from the Royal Treatment line. And then we are gonna use our new Chi Lava Taper Wand. You are gonna do one curl over and the other one is under. You know, the glove comes in the box with a wand. The glove allows you to curl the ends. Look at, perfect. With a wand, you can change completely the texture of any hair and give the opportunity to create exciting styles. Hairspray. You can spray each section or you can spray the whole section. Come through to distribution of the product. The length of the wand is longer than the regular sizes. You know, the ceramic head is so deep that you don't have to spend a lot of time doing the curls. Here, close to the face, it's better take the direction to the back to take the curls out of the face. Go through with a wide comb. Use rapid shine to make it easier. Use one of our Chi combs. Get this nice, sexy look for these holidays.